Navigating healthcare facility compliance can be like assembling a complex puzzle. Every piece is crucial. But what if you could find the piece or pieces that make everything fit perfectly? Introducing Soleran Healthcare, your partner in completing your compliance puzzle. Soleran Healthcare's one platform has 6 comprehensive suites designed to seamlessly address every aspect of your facility compliance. Each suite is a unique piece of the puzzle, flawlessly integrating with the others or your current system to form a comprehensive compliance solution. Empower your facility with enhanced efficiency, regulatory adherence, and optimal patient care. Soleran Suites transform compliance management into a cohesive, manageable process. Complete your facility compliance puzzle with Soleran Healthcare. Reach out today and experience the difference.